Hello viewers, welcome to another video and hope you all are doing great and having a wonderful time. And Alhamdulillah, I'm also having a fantastic time by the grace of Almighty. And today I want to speak, I want to give you some message and also I want to speak something new and different. And I know that as an English learner, you need to speak English, you not need to listen English. So don't pause the video and don't left the video, just listen to me because I know that I make mistakes, I'm not good enough, but also now I have a confidence that I can speak English perfectly. So stay connected till the end. Here's in my hand you can see several portions persimmon. It is called persimmon, and in our area it's don't ripe. I don't know that it's ripe or not. By the way, the color of the persimmons are yellow. Here's three persimmons are available in my hand. I gathered these persimmons from a place, and you know that every single day I come here and I practice my English. So that is why today whenever I come here and I was practicing my English, I noticed some kind of two persimmon trees are available there, and from this out of two cars persimmon trees another persimmon trees are a lot of persimmons are available. So that is why I picked up some persimmons and I am taking away these persimmons with me. So by this way, yes, then you can see that how I describe this all the situation in English. Though I know that I'm not perfect, I'm not perfect, I made mistakes, but also if perfection don't come if you don't start. If you don't mistakes, then perfection won't come. Now behind me you can see this is a bicycle. This bicycle is just standing right now. It's not riding by any persons right now. Version bicycles. By this way, you also can practice, you also can describe in any situation. And let me give you an example. Your very common thing you can describe in English. First of all, your situation is surrounding you, the environment. Yes, today's environment is not cold but it's warm. Now I am getting sweat and the environment is very cold, very warm and hot, and though it's morning time, but also I am getting very warm. And because recently the sun is spreading its light and it's warm very strongly in our country. So that is why here's don't available any rain, though some moments before some very tiny drops are were fell down, though it's not in raining. By this way, and here you can see a lot of fields are available. These all fields are paddy fields, and these paddy fields are harvested many days before, and now it's a lot of flowers are available. These flowers are not suitable for any tasks. That is why it's just useless flowers, but these all flowers together looking very great and very wonderful. I think if I want, I will pick up some flowers, but I don't have any necessary of these flowers. And a lot of persons make mistakes. They make a wrong thing. Then by plucking flower without any necessary, they pluck flower, and it's very wrong task. Because whenever you are plucking a flower, the nice or the beauty of the flower are destroyed. So don't do this. Whenever you don't need a necessary, you don't need a flower, then you don't tear any flower from a tree. By this way you can practice English. Yes, I'm not just showing you that how you can practice, how you can speak in English. It's not my purpose. My purpose is making sentence and describing these all things, and also practicing my English. Then you are watching that I am practicing my English, and also I can speak English perfectly. Don't full perfectly, but it's I'm very happy and excited that I can speak. At least I can speak. Don't perfectly, but I can speak. And you don't think that perfection will come automatically, and if you don't speak, when only then your perfection will come whenever you will speak a lot of time. A lot of mistakes you will make, then you can speak English perfectly. Or even if a native speaker make mistakes when they speak, then how you think that without any mistakes you can speak English perfectly? It's never possible. So change your mindset from today, and don't think I will start my journey from tomorrow. If you are waiting for tomorrow, then you are living in a fool's paradise. So change your mindset from today. From today means from right now, and start your speaking. And don't need a lot of time speaking and practicing. Just speak for a moment every single day. And speak every single day means every single day. Don't pause a single day. It's just called consistency. And consistency, maintaining the consistency is so important to go forward fastly. And don't measure and don't think and worry about your improvement and about your success, about your progress. Because if you are staying connect, and if you are practicing your English every single day, and the progressing and the improvement will come automatically. So that's all for now. And before ending the video, then I also want to share you, I want to see you that this just watch this, and I want to show you that just watch this field. This is very amazing looking, because here are a lot of, here are countless flowers are available. And I know the flowers colors are blue, and it's looking so wonderful. In this full big fields are available with these kinds of flowers. So it's looking so bright, great. And don't forget to comment me to inform me about the beauty of these flowers. So that's all for now, and see you again in another video. Until that time, stay connect with your dream, and make sure that you are following me for such kinds of more videos. Have a great moment. Assalamu alaikum.